Hey beautiful, today I'm going to show you how I use the new Camera Ready Contour Effects palette by City Color Cosmetics. The Magnetic Snap Compact is sleek and thin and comes with a detailed breakdown of what areas to contour, bronze, and highlight. The contour color is a rich matte dark brown with super pigmentation. Use a very light hand because a little does go a long way. I contour the hollows of my cheeks, my hairline, and my jawline. The bronze color is a matte medium brown color. I love using this on my cheeks for a sun-kissed glow and also along the sides of my nose and just under the center of my lower lip. This makes your lips appear fuller. The highlight color is a high shimmer gorgeous frost color. I highlight above my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. You guys know this is my favorite step in the makeup process. All of the colors are very pigmented and easily blended. They also complement each other well in order to create an elegant camera-ready look for any occasion. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you.